ወንድሟ በባላለሁኝ የመጣሁት ከኢትዮጵያ ነው። ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ሕክምናውን አጥቼ መጨረሻ ላይ ሪሰርች አድርጌ ወደዚህ መጣሁኝ። ወደ ህንድ መጥቻለሁ።
My name is Efrat Wandimo. I'm his daughter. His name is Wandimo Abebe. He's been he has eye disease, and we search it up on internet, and we come to India to take the treatment. It's called stem cell treatment.
እዚህ ከመጣን በኋላ ሆስፒታሉ እጅግ በጣም ጥሩ ሁኔታ ላይ አግኝተነዋል። ስለዚህ ከመጣን በኋላ ያገኘነው ትሪትመንት የተሻለ ትሪትመንት ነው።
Okay, the hospital and the stem cell treatment, they give us perfect service from the taxis, from the guest house, and in the hospital they give us a perfect service.
Okay, ከዛ በኋላ ደግሞ ሕክምናው ላይ ደግሞ ዶክተር ኢትስ ጉድ ፐርሰን በጣም ጥሩ ሰው ናቸው እና እሳቸውን ቼክ አፕ ካደረጉ በኋላ ወደ ሕክምናው ሄጄ ሕክምናውን በጥሩ መልክ ነው ያደረጉልኝ። እሳቸውንም በጣም አመሰግናለሁኝ።
The doctor that treats me, she was good, and she checked every little details, and it was a good treatment by all.
ሁለት ጊዜ ነበር ሕክምናውን ማገኘው። የመጀመሪያውን ሕክምና ወስጃለሁኝ፣ ጥሩ ነበረ። አሁን ሁለተኛውን ወስጃለሁኝ። በትንሹም ቢሆን ለውጥ እያየሁበት ነው። በአጭር ጊዜ ውስጥ ለውጥ እያየሁበት ነው። በዚህ ተደስቻለሁ።
I take the treatment in like 1 week intervals, and I'm seeing like minor changes, so it's good.
Yeah, it takes 4 to 6 months time.
Yeah, it's like
it is good initiation actually. If you see some little more changes, so what exactly you feel like? You feel some more bright light or more vision at more distance now, better?
ብራይት በፊት የነበሩትን እንትኖች ብራይት ሆኖልኛል ማለት ላይት ጨምሮልኛል። ያ አቅም የማየት አንድ ኦብጀክቲቭን ማየት አቅሜን ጨምሮልኛል።
Okay, the from before I can't see, the colors will be blurred, or I cannot clarify the specific color. Now I can see the colors, and like it's bright.
Okay, great. Okay, so it is a good initiation. It takes 4 to 6 months time, and you are the patient of Stargardt's macular dystrophy, which is a genetic disease. And we are hopeful you will get better recovery in future. So keep patience and watch like how much you respond. Okay, but this is all good initiation. Thank you, sir. So you are happy with our services?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's happy and come and take this treatment.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.